I think more people is coming. You understand?
Don't understand.
Sometimes my feeling is good, my feeling sometimes not good. But anyway, sacrifice man. You want?
Yes.
You want putol? Go. Go to camera. Maybe finish. But for me, just later eat. I don't eat too much because I'm so very bad for me. Please, can I break? Please,
Ito,
can
hamam.
I, can I drink there? Okay. Thank you very much. I appreciate you. Why you told you always come talk to Hammam? What's that? I don't understand. Can I explain what's that? Oh, good or not good?
Hamam good.
What's that? It's not good people talking to me. I told Mom, I don't know what's that, Hammam. Maybe go to toilet and maybe bad.
Go to hamam. Ano?
Hello guys. Uh, I want to explain about my chef here, how to make it coffee or anything like that. In the morning, maybe 9 a.m. and breakfast is coming. Like sandwich or more sandwich
When
like
9 a.m.
20.
10 a.m.
Yeah, not PM, AM, you know? AM is the morning, PM night. You
Malo
understand?
PM, PM
Yes.
night.
So,
AM, alhin 10.
AM, no,
Mabi 9.
it's coming 9.
Hamam.
What are you talking? You don't understand. I hope you learn the English and then
I don't
understand.
Hamam.
And then very, very important speaking English. Yes. I hope you understand for me, not hammam. I don't know how to hammam because here is coffee. I make it anything coffee, gawa, or like that, tea, rabbit,
Good.
any. What?
Good.
What are you talking? I don't understand what is the thought. Maybe you.
Your friend coming here.
It's good man.
Okay.
Good man. Hmm. Because not more talking to anything but like that. If you want like that, coffee, black coffee, it's no problem. I think it's
Your
good.
friend Abdullah.
Friend Abdullah, never mind. I don't understand. Sometimes good, sometimes not good. You know, it's good for me. Thank very much. Okay, thank you very much. And then uh, follow, subscribe in YouTube channel, Dodge My TV channel. And follow, subscribe in Facebook.
Okay. No problem.
Okay. Thank you very much and you're welcome.